not supposed to take stuff from strangers.
Oh, well, I'm Pennywise, the dancing clown. Dancing, 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 dancing.
What's good, Primadonnas? Back again today with another video, and welcome back to another Primadonna Halloween. And as you guys get ready to see, of course, we are transforming ourselves into Pennywise. This Primadonna Penny, she's on timing, okay? She's on the hunt. She's looking for her monies. She's trying to collect, okay? Like, you thought I was feeling you? Absolutely not. Run her check, period. Okay? This Penny, she work at the strip club, okay? Her name is Penny Hoez. Not like these hoes in this house. I'm talking about like panty hoes. You know what I'm saying. It's so crazy because I actually did this look actually kind of like in an hour and a half, which is actually a lot shorter than most of my Halloween tutorials, you guys. So this one is actually super simple, and I'm going to show you actually how I transformed my regular glam makeup that I already was wearing throughout the day. So if you guys are at work or you go to school, or you know, you're just looking for like a last minute Halloween idea, I got you, boo. So I'm going to teach you exactly how to transform your glam makeup into a Halloween makeup look and turn it to a Primadonna Penny. Give this video a big thumbs up. I do have a few more, probably 1 or 2 more Halloween looks coming. Like I said, I did want to let you guys know that I didn't really get to put all of my Halloween looks on YouTube. So if you guys want to see all of the Halloween looks that I did this year, then definitely follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram handle somewhere on the screen. But yeah, you guys, I'll be killing it on Instagram, and I'll be doing also like reels and, you know, like tutorials, mini tutorials over there. So whenever I'm not active on YouTube, you know exactly where to find me. So y'all be slacking, because I don't understand, okay, how I literally have almost 300,000 Primadonnas on YouTube and only 50K on Instagram. So I don't know what's happening. Y'all not following me over there, but y'all really need to get it together and go take your ass over there and go follow me over there, because I be killing it over on Instagram, okay? Leave my YouTube fam dry. It's so weird because I got like long claws on this side and then like regular nails on this side. Anyways, I can't even stop looking at myself. Now I gotta wash all of this off. I am dead. Anyways, y'all, I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye. Alright, beauty, so jumping straight into voiceover, and as you could already see, we are starting out with full glam. Yes, a whole bold red lip, because I did film my Sephora recommendation, so that video will be coming next. Since I already had the bold red lip, I was like, you know what Halloween look could I do with a bold red lip? Pennywise. Yes, so that's exactly what sparked the idea of actually transforming my regular makeup into a whole Halloween look. And especially that's so relatable because Halloween actually lands on a Monday this year, and I know a lot of us have school and work, so a lot of us is gonna just be doing last minute looks anyways. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the first palette that I see on my vanity. Usually when you're creating a Halloween look and you're in a rush, you're just gonna grab the first palette that you see. So for me, that was my Carnival XL, and that one does have a matte black. So I'm literally taking my soft glam look and turning this shit into a Halloween eye look, which is by doing a cut crease. That's the only thing that I could think of. So I'm going in with some matte black. I'm blending that out also with some gray, and then finishing off this blend with a matte white. That's also going to make the gray look more gray and also more blended. And as you guys can see, I decided to do kind of like elongated cut crease just for some more drama, just adding more dramaticness to this freaking look, because like I said, she is Penny Hoez, okay? So she's all for the drama. So as you guys can see, side by side, I was just like, never did I literally just throw eyeshadow on top of eyeshadow. I've never done this. Usually I've always been the one to overthink. I have to start from scratch. I want to do everything perfect, and this was honestly one of the looks that I was just able to let completely loose. I was sloppy. I was enjoying myself, having fun, and I was obsessed so much more with the way that it came out, even with all of the imperfections, because it looks worn in. You get what I'm saying? Like if she was actually out on the town in the strip club, her face not gonna be perfect, if you get me. So anyways, I went ahead and I just cut my crease, and I literally just took some micellar water and basically did my little Q-tip method. You guys see me do that all the time. By the way, I did remove the excess red lipstick because I kept hitting it with the back of my hand and smudging it all over my face. So I am going to put it back on. But anyways, just wanted to let you guys know that's why it was removed. But now I'm going into the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0. I'm going to head and just basically use that to cut my crease. And then to set that P. Louise base, I'm taking this matte white from Anastasia. This one is in the Riviera palette. This is my favorite matte white. And I'm just going to set my eyelids. So now last minute, I was like, you know what? I really want to do kind of like a creepy clown expression with my brows. So girl, we took a baby wipe and just completely got rid of them damn brows. Bitch, we don't need them. Goodbye. So I literally just took some brow gel. I adhered my brows literally to my skin. Like I glued them shits down. I set them with powder, went over that with my Vanish Stick full fucking coverage foundation, and I literally got rid of these brows. So I am not a pro at covering my brows. This is probably my first time even attempting to cover my brows. And don't get me wrong, I didn't do an amazing job, but like I said, this is a last minute Halloween look. And it got the job done. I'm also going to go over it with a little bit more of like a full coverage concealer. This one is from Juvia's Place. And as you guys can see, I'm taking a tiny little e.l.f. Sponge. Just like I said, to just keep the placement of the concealer right on my brow so it can just really, really cover. And then also setting all of that with powder. Now for the brows, I'm going to take, this is the Make It Big liquid eyeliner, and I'm using just a regular liquid felt tip eyeliner to draw on my brows. And as far as the brows, this is when you could get really, really creative. You can make her look sad. You can make her look angry. However you want to do your clown. I wanted to make her look kind of angry and like really like expressive. I was dying laughing, y'all. I was dying laughing because I probably have never ever looked this crazy on my channel. Well, yes, I have. I'm lying. Like, girl, why are we acting like if I wasn't experimenting with wigs like years ago? Like, girl, we've been looking crazy on this channel. But anyways, once you're happy kind of like with the outline of your eyebrow, now this is when you could go ahead and start thickening it up and start making your eyebrow as thick as you want, and basically just like perfecting it. Like I said, I really liked the curve that I did in the front because it literally made her look so evil. I was dying. Like, I really could not take myself serious at all. And just like your regular eyebrows, you want them shits to be on fleek, okay? Pennyho's eyebrows gotta be popping too. So you want to go ahead and carve them out with some white concealer or the base. That's what I was using. And I'm also going to take that base to kind of make little negative spaces in my eyebrows, as you can see. And that's where it's going to like be the red lines for the Pennywise. If not, the red is going to go on top of the black, and then it's going to be way harder to go on top of it. If you get me, you'll see later. But anyways, I am taking a lip liner. I'm going to run that in my waterline. And this is when, like I said, girl, usually I'm super precise, super neat. But bitch, I am taking the red eyeshadow and I'm going crazy with it. I'm running that back and forth on my lower lash line. And like I said, the messier, the better. Do you guys see that I literally just dragged it out with my finger and it actually created like this skippy, jagged texture look? I was like, wait, hold on. That shit kind of look fire. Okay, I didn't even do that on purpose, but it added like texture to my eye, and I was like, okay, wait, that looks so lit. I'm also gonna do the same thing with smudging some black down there. Also, this is just gonna make it look more intense and more smoky. So yeah, don't be afraid of the black eyeshadow in today's look, okay? The black eyeshadow is gonna be our friend for today. So now I'm going back in with that lip liner, and now this is when we're kind of like gonna try to like map out the Pennywise design. Now, if you're not brave, okay, I recommend to go in with a nude or a white first, just in case you do make a mistake. You can wipe it away super easy. But I don't know, y'all, I usually always do a guide first. I don't know what I was thinking in today's video, but I was having a YOLO moment. I was here for it, okay? This is me like literally watching this footage back and editing, and I'm like, bitch, you was brave today. Heard you, girl. But anyways, I just went straight in with the lip liner. And now, as you can see, now I'm going to put that lip liner right in between those little gaps that we created on our brows, just so that way it looks like the red is going through the brow. And now you're not trying to like put it on top of the black eyeliner. You get me? So yeah, make your life easier. So yeah, now you want to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Like I said, the Pennywise little design, it's like, it's not complicated. It's very easy to draw, but on the mouth area, you want to curve it a little bit. That's always like the little tricky part that I can never get down. It's kind of like that little round curve. And as you guys can see, I did fuck up. Yes, okay, I ain't perfect either. And honey, it was very hard to wipe away. But of course, we did wipe it away. It's just makeup, of course, and it's a Halloween look. This is one thing that I do want to stress. This look does not have to be perfect, y'all, because this is exactly what I was talking about. Usually I map everything out. I'm super strategic about my lines and placement, but not today, yo. When I tell you, like, I was having fun, and that is the best part about Halloween makeup looks, is truly have fun with it. But anyways, once you mapped out your design, you want to go over it now with some liquid lipstick. So if you do not own any red face paints, I highly recommend using a red liquid lipstick, and the longevity of it is amazing. So if you're gonna go to a party or anything like that, this is gonna dry down matte. So if somebody, you know, touches you, or if you smudge your face, it is not gonna budge. Okay, this shit is like super long lasting. I was touching my face and it did not move whatsoever, because like I said, I am using matte liquid lipsticks. So the red liquid lipstick that I'm using is from Kat Von D. I will leave it down in the description box, but any matte red lip will do. Now you want to go in with red eyeshadow right over those lines and literally smudge them out. This is going to create more of kind of like a grungy effect and make your clown look, like I said, a lot more grungy, worn in, and I love that. Okay, I'm also going crazy with the red eyeshadow underneath my lower lash line. Like I said, you want to get messy with this, and then like I said, yeah, just go over all of the liquid lipstick that we did and go ahead and smudge that out with red eyeshadow. So now that everything is all nice and smudged, this is when you want to add some of the definition. So I'm literally just taking a little bit of matte black eyeshadow on more of a denser brush. And now you just want to go all in between of where you put the liquid lipstick and start to just darken it just a tad bit. You do not want to change the lines to like straight up black. You want it to still look reddish, but you want to make it deeper, okay? That's what's going to make it look more scary. I'm also going to take a little bit more of that liquid lipstick and start to draw on a really cute clown nose. Of course, you can't be a clown without a clown nose, okay? So I'm also going to set that red lipstick as well with red eyeshadow. You want to set everything that you're using with the liquid lipstick with red eyeshadow or any type of eyeshadow, okay? Like I said, just so that way it is transfer proof. I'm also going to add some smokiness to the nose as well. And last but not least is the lips. Of course, for this clown, she's still Primadonna, so of course we have to overdraw her lips. And honestly, I think the lip part was my favorite part of this entire eye look. Well, this and like the little white highlights that I'm going to show you in a second. But yeah, anyways, I'm using that same red lipstick that we've been using this entire tutorial. I'm also setting that with matte red eyeshadow as well. And then, like I said, my favorite part of the lips was kind of like the black shadowing. It was something about it that made it look so creepy but so sexy at the same time. Because I know a lot of us, okay, especially me, I love a good creepy look, but I still want to look sexy at the same time, okay? I still want to look feminine, okay? I still want to look like a bad bitch. So I feel like this was just a perfect combination of both. So anyways, now for the white little highlights, I'm taking a white liquid eyeliner. This one is from Made by Mitchell in the Got Milk collection, and I'm literally just adding little white little lines anywhere that I feel is the highest points of my face. So my cupid's bow, my chin, the top of my lip, my nose, and then everywhere where you added those white eyeliner, you want to now add white shimmer. So I ordered literally like a whole pack of loose shimmers, you guys, and I had just like a white loose shimmer, and that's exactly what I used in today's look. And as you guys can see, I'm putting it on. I ain't scared to use the white shimmer because that literally made it look more editorial. It made it look more kind of like a mask. It was so crazy because a lot of people thought that this was a filter because of these white highlights, and it wasn't. It was actually the makeup. So that shit literally made it pop. I also added a lot of white shimmer into that inner corner because of course you already know, no matter what look I'm doing, my inner corner better be popping, okay? And now for the little specks of blood, I'm taking an eyebrow brush with that same liquid lipstick. Like I said, it's all about technique. Same product but different technique, baby, okay? And we're adding it to look like little blood splatters. So now for the finishing touches of our pantyhose, we're gonna just add some dramatic ass lashes, of course, because she's still a stripper, babies. Like, she need her lashes to be long, okay? Longer than the okay, let me stop. But anyways, last but not least is the yellow contacts, of course, because you know Pennywise did have bright yellow eyes, so I wanted to add that little bit of Pennywise in there, even though she's pantyhose. But last but not least, this is the completed look. You want to go ahead and get your money, sis. Add the little finishing touches for your costume, and this is the completed look. I hope you guys did enjoy this one. Happy Halloween. Stay safe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.